And Shoma season 6 and then no final 12 no yatna se ya shedwumade na na hwe mensa ebenkum so a me judges so I crowd yen starting fair mama ko so no ne mi sa no mommy passion mo akwa ba
ye nua sweetheart
12 no enye di into any expectations for a show no
me mom the serious na ka me 15 because nkola na ye ade by jama yi 12 aba expectation say obetunyum ne yi utunyum ni ye na yen show action send only audience no ebe diagrapher because some number my fans no na mesre me kai omo so microphone na no yes I enti de omo to bankola we de omo ba o
papa impacho near 12 yenya waba dwumade no 12 no den na wo hwehwe every contestant no ho ene
so dem ni gan kai no action me pensen cheni ni nyina mu no so it do live band and one powers no and as a powers our more way and you no in the area the way our band in the coordinating the whole thing air coordination and communication in the area
me jitum sense from my program be abeboa ye more frani bebre talent discovery e wo ye kromo ha no eho hia say Adom chede be developing this anomano eho hia pa wo amofra development enti mebo Adom TV and multimedia baso for instituting this program ebebo amaye on every talent
na obane na hwan
hato ele kufu
wabeje front seat ogidi say na hato be century
amen papa
oh last week me buy nkola ni na yade Nesuma ba me ba be shom.
And I support no.
At Olivia.
Ti me so we try na say kakara na say.
That's
But I see fabum. Boza. Matilda ma me right.
Time.
And say we see when you hwe show nana.
To say.
Ni je ne ba be ro.
Is a crowd.
The person korano especially Lian. Person nyame ya na dum no bon ho wade queen nimpa.
How do you feel?
I am very excited because it's not easy to come and stand on the stage and perform. And actually, she is also bearing my name. So the energy in me, she also has it.
And Shoma season 6, and there are 12 contestants, and he has selected Momidin, the sister's son, to be a guy. And Shoma. Yes, oh, nada. And Shoma. Yes, Adom TV. Yes, big up yourself. Bonsama ho. Yeah. Feeling, what do you say? Feeling now? I say, no, you're extra. Oh, baby girl, how are you?
I'm fine.
Now, what do you need to say?
Sandra.
Okay, now, why not better than you are?
Lian.
What free school, babe?
St. Paul.
St. Paul's for Moaha. St. Paul's for Moaha. Mama Sonia Hunipa Mosa Partner, Mama Sonia Hunipa Mosa Partner, Mama so St. Paul. Eti bese me hu ani pam beta na cha na se motan kwala ni nyina chi wa.
Yetan kwala ni nyina chi, yeto obi echi. Ne beta bapa.
I mean some school no you believe in talent. And I said like, hi madam.
Hi.
Regina. Madam also
Josephine.
Josephine. So we na ba real quick so body mama.
Auntie Sewa.
Hello.
Hi.
Child to adeno so na eti Japan. Eh, wa fa ho pa na ne hwan na de beta na chi.
Bridget say Mokweke na Namoku.
The
list 11 bakope.
What time you are?
That the one. I said that. Yeah.
Okay, be a mama so na say that enfili we chire ho. Mama so. Okay. I mean to Lee. Abby's creation.
Creativity and
excellence. Abby mentomonka. Abby's creation.
Creativity and excellence.
Abby's creation. Mama sinye usanya ade ankwa na mopam. Mumbo. One of the best fashion houses we have in Ghana. You can never go wrong. What means I Abby's creation? Nat and Kolano. Too much. And Shoma season 6, final 12 contestants. And I join my Medina the same. You feeling irate? You feeling happy? But chale madre pepa. Yo, mama mama homo why fe. Wouldn't be Ghana is waiting for you. Ghana chemo. Ghana is really waiting for you. Baby girl, net time.
Adom.
And you may now go to
Come and see my mother, Miss V.
I'm who I'm a pioneer, the Indian, who am I? What I catch.
But you won't be whom I'm going to some my free no.
Sir. Baby girl, you okay? You were the first person I'll be a show, Nano, and it was so powerful. Are you okay when you're at Hawaii? I don't know if you so bit me I am more, and I said, Dana, yo. So why are you crying? I want to know why my baby girl is crying. Why are you crying, babe? You know I love you, right? Fabum. Boza, beautiful Clara. Hey, rent free Jackie. Nate. Matilda, or we perform my sister. They say, hey. Now I see, hey. That's what I say. How's the feeling?
Oh, it was cool. And it was good too. I felt good. Yes, please.
Hey, but for the night, I felt good. Oh, him up, Perez. Well, gelling is gelling.
Okay, thank you.
How is it like feeling it the same out?
It's cool. It's awesome.
Awesome. One word. Baby girl Olivia, how are you?
I'm fine.
Now you now koto.
Sugar cane by Camido.
I say, oh, why ever had there now? Bet me a killing and I say, young quada.
But you met me a killing.
That's my girl. Fabum, boza. Hi, baby girl. Now you now koto no dressing.
But I make what this year by Mr. Jew.
Tinya me a frewa.
And so if say one my
yeah, dear Chen. Why? The queen, we are your carpet to walk on us. Baby girl.
Hi.
Oh, African queen, and your men in auto.
They by Creamy.
You are so outside, like your house face. As they be our house face, no portray Ghana beside. Yes. Watch that.
Yes.
Yeah, that's if I me or ring no watching so bo. And you're running my machine, yes, so money, I'm higher. Quite social media, yes, and you know, all brothelize. How is the feeling like?
It is good.
Did you see Joyce Blessing under your video? Who I make catch her? You post still video on Adom TV platform. No Joyce Blessing. I be comment say was here. Meaning why are they?
Yes.
Yeah. To feeling it.
I feel very proud.
You know, all the very best, baby. Okay. Fabum. Boza. Hartwell. Until you get it.
Fuck to me, Valley.
You can be.
Fuck to
you. Say, I get a big pampa. Would you get a big pampa? What color tear? Now, swa. Je let a four pair bay. Make me more deep broken worker. Can't you let a phone say who represents Latin Waba?
That's a funny name, Madame. Some of women may have confirm.
And you may not have to auto.
Enjoyment by Kiddy.
And you may enjoy an answer like Fabum, Boza. Crafu binta say, Messi, Mammy, don't crafu binta say, I could join a walk and see. Donald.
Yes, ma'am.
One don.
Yo.
Never say.
Ekoyepa.
And then you may not go to.
I got to Abronoma by Amrado.
And you may buy and chain in a Okoto Donald.
A chai.
Yes, obey Adom, wow.
A chai, my boy,
Amrado, watch out for my boy. I wish I'm the sister Sandy be a guy in Shoma season 6. Nati Bongo, big up yourself. We share a Juma, a course so down and yes.
Yes, sure.
Director, McBride.
Be like a clump.
Oh, Medal Quafwa.
Be like a clump.
Man like logo sound.
Hey, larger than charge. Koye Kolano super talented.
Man like logo Fabum. Why are you manache? What's your say? Alvin Silicon. What in who is here? Zuzu. I see you. Hey, Ben, I see you. Director Samuel Kuto on duty. Now we share. Welbeck Kofi Ampedu, head of production. Next, it's not time for cameras. Now, so Thomas, I see you. So, team, no, I our this side. And I just say, we ain't playing right here. We are not playing. We mean business. Oh, Papa Hartwell, feeling it to say.
Oh, fine. Maybe I'll go see you. So, quite fine. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah, enjoyment.
Crowd now, crowd now, more natural say, yeah, now.
Yeah.
Some media, Patoso. I Hartwell, Papa. And the management stage, you know, or I need you now. I am proud daddy moments. And Shoma will say, yes, sure, right? Nice to be kind, sure, say, I say, or her arbitration. I need you now. Not just say, enjoyment.
Enjoyment. Hey, I go kill you with.
Next, I'll be scratching for Enjoy Moye Pa and Shoma Season 6 Hatwell on stage. And more ayade per year. Our the side. Shoma Season 6, and I've got your host here, J Mami 360 Sisiana. One famano ape a chef from. Hey, what you lazy wechi? Damn, you looking upper. Why not Pamao?
We're E.E Fashion, Tema Newtown and no more. In fact, I'm too much.
You know you were a classic man.
Yeah, baby, that's what they say, you know what I'm saying?
On stage, you understand now, you know how you present and everything is just on point. They are enjoying you. You as a whole show, they say,
so no your guys into who be a guy also right bibi ko ye pepepe said what you can akano na no krinya me every season bia no say dwumadi ekosro na season we no e shase na say bibi a shase na say on shedem but we know ye kukumpo ni ohwe mofra na de omo ye na ultimate say this season the judges no be nya tough time papa it me the kakra person me kan say families no any schools hold on contestants hold on in no. This is the time one support. They should do well and vote for them because that's the only way a bit immediate differentiation number into one political crap and I just say will be the vote anyway job because a banner performances near their talent now to me say they are above the roof. So I say it you know they are can say on the bomb more than enough things no. On my cheater phone because of vote your mom say be on bit me and more vote because they also count to competition.
J Fabum ne child. Mama 360 child mama. Yeah. Any Jenny was short.
Any Jenny brutal. I can't perform many brutal.
Residents, what they are born in need.
Oh, neat. For crack, okay. So I was a
chef from. At this moment, so you're a proud father.
Sa, I need to know I can.
That's a piece.
That's why.
Proud grandma moment. Grandma, how do you feel?
It's okay. I'm fine.
Are you proud?
I'm proud, very proud.
Mabusia mobitonyo mana.
Na mabitonyo.
Akwam ni nchemu. Ade bomanu. Donald, Dom P, ne papa, and I'm John and Chen has said, rest of us, ne preacher has said, Ebana, I am very massive. No, we can just search about the discipline is on points. Yes, sir. Salute, sir.
I take on, madam.
You are a proud father because I perform here. How do you feel? Tell me.
I feel very great to see my boy on stage.
So you're a proud father.
Yes, madam.
So,
Aya menije pa se wa ko TV to aba. Aya kromo fo nya so enije.
Kromo fo di na chi oboma.
Me chia na na borata na ne dom nyina ahimfo nyina wo gomo fete nyina me chia obi a ye nya wo vote.
Sir, permission to fall out, sir. Carry on, sir. Donald, Don P on stage. Sir, what a branch and a chia woo ba. Motive nene say.
What's it?
Motive nene say. Mo so ta na chia woo wa.
Yeah, ta na chi. Yeah, they are pan say. Yeah, so they say like we are to my best program way. Say baby I want ono so like impunto ababa nkafo we chire ni na say na be am so obi wo bibi wonu a opese ya na no so we aba no na no so ahya ne de na no so emia no na wa ye na ode impunto aba na enso de Anything I want to be able to have one or not the queen.
And a patoso, China, patoso, China, Sammy. Come on. Make us a band where you're so international. You're a band, the free Ghana. I represent your Grammy, sir. Ain't no other person but my own uncle, Papa Fabo. What's on your day?
Oh, yeah, do.
Jumedi no kwalano, or more amount of time and that smooth.
Nkodano, omoyade. The tiene say, Sisi Viana, ne standard. Wenum standard no so. With you, we are. Say we a good chan we babana we a good chan we. I mean, we now yadi.
That means I can blend the Whitechapel band, no, and I do more brother this side of Crano. A koye ankasa. Your machine who drama no, because the way I drama ni rolly adiano. The Badwam, a chef from Papa, what's our dripping it, pound? They didn't say.
From Cosmos,
the drama. Oh man, we are too good.
Thank you, Medasa.
Well, I know a tough time and that's smooth.
Oh, okay, so far, I think my first performance I may know I'm having, and I think so far so good. It's going on well.
There's a more amount of time.
Oh no, not really, but me I sure say I acquire my first time, you know, Ebefa. Until you do it, a middle of the show, and I think by then no being I experience more so.
Cosmos chema Ebefa. Na papa also chema Ebefa.
Oh, Ebefa.
Oh yeah.
Obia bomode.
Obia seje. Mi aminu abema ho fefo ho fetete no nsa no so etija papa na pumi.
Na me adom bia.
Na ekoyi na nkwala na ehawo.
No ekoyi pa like yeah. Like I'm even surprised if you are performing. Yeah, almost starting. It's really great. Yeah.
Na me share BVs no enso ne omo atwetwe enkomo omo this side and BVs no mami humo real quick a brand say ne ababawe omo anso nyem no so enye de ba mu hu omo enti no omo ni ye audition ne kwa na o kan ye ho a o ye judge e wo so atani ata Jerry Justice start to me din enchanga ne inoma ekoyi
papa.
It's a tough time and I saw omo majuma na yes.
Oh well, I think say having a shase but so far no Eco smooth.
BV's backing vocalist, Papa, Abaya, Enchanga, Inoma, any Pacho Equi.
Oh, Pacho Equi,
it's a mutija with my guinea.
Oh, yeah, that's.
Whatever my blessing. Me to be you know, yeah, that's more fun, mammy. Boza, money at Juma, BV's no, and on Enshoma season 6, we need the sister Sandy, yeah, twasso.